Liguria. Liguria is a coastal region in the northwest of Italy. The capital is Genoa. Many tourists go to Liguria for its towns, cuisine, and beaches. Liguria is divided into 4 provinces: Imperia, Savona, Genoa, and La Spezia. Liguria borders France in the west and Piedmont to the north. In the east, it borders Emilia-Romagna and Tuscany. It lies on the Ligurian Sea. The Alps and the Apennines. Monte Saccarello is the highest point in the region at 2.201 meters. The 4 major cities are Genoa, La Spezia, Savona, and Sanremo. There is 1 national reserve, 6 large parks, 2 smaller parks, and 3 nature reserves in Liguria. Except for the promontories of Portovenere and Portofino, the coastline is often high and not very jagged. The port of Genova is the busiest in Italy. The only natural harbours are in Genoa and La Spezia. The climate is mild all year due to the ring of hills lying just beyond the coast. Average temperatures in winter are 7 to 10 degrees centigrade and up to 24 degrees centigrade in summer. Due to the mountains lying close to the coast, there is a lot of rainfall. Demographics. Liguria has a much higher than average population density. Over 80% of the population live permanently near the coast. The economy. Agriculture has increased and specializes in high-quality products like flowers, wine, and olive oil. Flour production is over 75%. Animal farming is just over 11% and vegetable crops is 6.4%. Industry. Industry in Liguria is very diversified. There is a range of high quality and high-tech products: food, shipbuilding, electrical engineering, electronics, petrochemicals, aerospace, military shipyards, and cruise liner building. Some famous industries are Finmeccanica Group, Ansaldo Energia, Piaggio Aerospace. The cuisine: panzotti, pesto, chupin soup, meschua soup. Pesto comes from Liguria. It is made with fresh basil, pine nuts, olive oil, garlic, and Parmesan cheese. Seafood is a major part of the Mediterranean cuisine. Chupin soup is made from leftover fish and stale bread. It is flavored with onion, white wine, and garlic. Vegetables are very important in Ligurian cooking. Meschua soup is made from beans, olive oil, and farro, a type of wheat. Typical pasta: crenette and trofie, and fresh pasta pockets called panzuti. Fauna. Since 2011, 2 herds of cows have been roaming freely in 2 mountain villages in Liguria between Savona and Liguria. In the national parks there are wolves, wild boar, foxes, badgers, owls, and vultures. Fauna in Liguria: oleander and bougainvillea. Olive groves, orange and lemon orchards, vineyards. Plants include bougainvillea, hibiscus, oleander, and many others. Trees found in the forests in mountainous areas are chestnuts, beech and oak. In Villa Hanbury, in Imperia, and in Villa della Pergola in Alassio, you can see examples of plants and trees from China, Italy and England. Bye-bye.